Office of the KAL English District Election Officer organized an awareness campaign on linking of Aadhaar with the voter ID at Deepu on 23rd October. Deepu town gears up for the celebration of religious Hindu festival of lights, Diwali. Stolen vehicle intercepted at Khadkhati, KAL on 21st October.
Amar Jivan adawai kinangji atumaphan isi birta kemi. Bangso adawai non ke KAL pen West KAL along setami long pon ikji. Lapenan parta nanglina hok damde hem totlun pen nangli hem an nangke pathon kok mati home delivery our size setami do ikji. Lasi humri ignon Amar Jivan.
Ko ana ni kisu kecelang pen setami mini lasela. Mar jawon adawai kicu pensi am ta chu itek lo ijakong ta don lo engke do ta don sen lo kasi joro lo la nakit pi atuma phan setame kasi ning sampit lo kasi la sadowai ke anatum an setame enak ni kasi ni thang setame jela khalo pen isi ke arnam ahir melu kasi jela khalong lu kasi sadowai ke kichwa bang putin na bang setame ajakong ta doji apen an ta chuthekji apen kamat tha setame matha plot asomsi non chethek long lo
Klardak pen kachini jiaphan troxy 5 hini trok pho 5 troxy nerkapalong humri ignon.
Welcome to KAL Live English Prime Time. The Election Commission of India (ECI) is asking everyone to link their voter ID card with Aadhaar card under the Election Laws Amendment Act 2021, adopted by the Parliament in December last year to validate entries in the electoral roll and check whether someone is registered in the same constituency more than once or in multiple constituencies. As per the direction from the Election Commission of India (ECI), Office of the KAL District Election Officer organized an awareness program on linking of Aadhaar with voter ID at Deepu on 23rd October. It was informed that the message and the procedures to link Aadhaar with voter ID was conveyed to the citizens by displaying a street play at the event. Kayasri Dengya, KAL District Election Officer, while speaking to us, informed that the awareness campaign on linking of Aadhaar with voter ID is part of the Election Laws Amendment Act 2021 as per the direction from the Election Commission of India. The awareness campaign would be conducted at 6 locations across the district under administration of KAL District. Deepu is the initial location. It would be followed by Manja, Bakalia, Haraghat, Dokmoka and Parakhwa. A facilitation center would be attached in each location where the staff would be present and on-spot registration of new enrollments of the voters and linking of voter ID with Aadhaar could be done.
On the spot registration koribo khuje new enrollment ba teoluke Aadhaar aru voter linking ji hokole koribo khuje teolukok ami hetu teoluke on spot registration koribo paribo.
The awareness campaign on linking of Aadhaar with voter ID was organized at Deepu in presence of Madhumita Bhagawati, Deputy Commissioner of KAL. News Desk report for KAL Live. Just like every year, India would be celebrating its one of the largest Hindu festival, Diwali, from 24th October to 30 October across the nation. Likewise, the headquarters of KAL Deepu is also gearing up with the preparation to celebrate the Festival of Lights at the town. Diwali is a 5-day-long Hinduism festival of lights celebrated annually across the nation and worldwide. It symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. This year, it is commenced from 24th October to 30 October. Likewise, the headquarters of KAL Deepu is also gearing up with the preparation to celebrate the Festival of Lights at the town. Huge crowds could be seen in the streets buying flowers, firecrackers, clothes, lights, art and lamps, materials to perform ritual, etc. Many local youths from the Karbi community could also be seen empowering themselves by placing their own stalls around the market, selling equipments necessary for the Diwali festival. Gautam Timung is also one of the youth among many who set up his stall selling festival equipments. Longsodaring this report from Dipu for KAL Live. On 21st of October, Khatkati police intercepted a stolen vehicle during a search operation carried out on National Highway 39 under Khatkati police station. According to sources, Khatkati police received a specific intel of the stolen vehicle bearing registration number AS01 KC 7243 heading towards Dimapur for resale. Khatkati police set up a checkpoint along National Highway 39 to intercept the stolen vehicle. The thieves, on seeing the search operation, tried to evade by smashing down the barricades set up by the police at the checkpoint. It was also informed that police department immediately prepared themselves to chase after the stolen vehicle, but the thieves managed to trick the police and stay away from their reach. Taking advantage of the moment, the thieves left the stolen vehicle at Lahorijan unattended. Khatkati police officials later informed that the vehicles were stolen from Nunmati, Guwahati. They had notified the owner of the vehicle, and for the time being, it was brought to Khatkati police station, and the hunt for the thieves is under progress.
আজি ৰাতিপুৱা নুনমাটি থানাৰ পৰা এটা ইনফৰমেশ্যন পাইছোঁ যে তাৰ পৰা এখন গাড়ী চুৰি হৈছে বুলি বলেৰ' পিকআপ গাড়ী সেইমতে আমি ইয়াতে অলপ এলাৰ্ট আছিলে প্ৰপাৰ্টি তেতিয়া CRPF গেটৰ সন্মুখতে
Anantarang's report from Bokajan for KAL Live. Thank you for watching KAL Live. Have a great day.